Hi guys, welcome back to Bite Size Excel. In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at how you change case in Excel. So that's how you make your cells either all uppercase, lowercase, or use proper cell formatting. Now, if you're used to using Word, you'll probably know that in your font box on your Home tab, you have a Change Case button. This isn't the case with Excel, which means that you do need to use a formula if you want to change your text case in your cell. So you do this by using one of three functions, and that's the upper function, the lower function, and the proper function. Now let's start with the upper function. So in this first set of cells here, we have a mixture of upper and lowercase, and say we want to make it all uppercase. Very easy formula, you type equals upper, then select your cell and hit enter. And there you'll have it all uppercase. If you want to make it all lowercase, again, you type equals, this time lower. Then you select your cell and again hit enter and you'll see it's all lowercase. If we drag these down, it will work for all our different cells. Now we can also copy it down, say for the months here. So just drag that down. But say you only want to capitalize your first word. There's then a third function. So it's equals proper. And again, we select our cell and this will just capitalize your first word. Now this is particularly useful if you say have a list of names with mixed formatting, or say it's all lowercase, as is the case with this particular example here. And we want to make it all proper formatting. So that will be capitalizing each word. And we hit enter. And as you can see, now we've got each word capitalized. Dragging it down, you then have a much neater list of people's names. So that's just a quick introduction to how to change your case within Excel. So how to make things either all uppercase, all lowercase, or with the proper formatting, which is basically capitalizing each word. I do hope that you found this short video useful. Please do like and subscribe. I'd love if you left me a comment, and I hope to see you on the next video.